What's up guys, it's Mekran from Tech Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to apply Federal Bank credit card. Applying Federal Bank credit card is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Research. Before applying, research the Federal Bank credit card available. Look into their features, benefit, fee, interest rate and eligibility requirement. Choose the card that best fits your needs and financial situation. Check eligibility. Visit the Federal Bank website or contact their customer service to check your eligibility for the credit card you are interested in. Eligibility criteria typically includes age, income, employment status, credit score and residence. Fill out the application form. You can apply for a Federal Bank credit card online through their website. Navigate to the credit card section of the website and select option to apply. Fill out the application form with accurate information including personal details, contact information, employment details and financial information. After completing the application form, you will need to submit the required documents. If applying online, you may need to upload scanned copies of the documents. Review terms and conditions. Before submitting your application, carefully review the terms and conditions associated with your credit card. Pay attention to the interest rate, fee, charges, rewards and other important details. Submit application. Once you have filled out the application form and submitted the necessary documents, review everything one last time to ensure accuracy. Wait for approval. After submitting your application, the bank will review it along with your documents. This process may take some time, typically a few days to a couple of weeks. You can track the status of your application online or by contacting the bank's customer service. Receipt card. If your application is approved, you will receive a Federal Bank credit card by mail at the address you provided during the application process. Activation. Once you receive the card, you will need to activate it before you can use it. Follow the instructions provided by Federal Bank for activation. To start using credit card. Once activated, you can start using your Federal Bank credit card for purchase, payment and other transactions as per credit card limit assigned to you. That's it, you have successfully applied Federal Bank credit card. If you like this video, press the thumbs up and share button. Also for more tutorials, subscribe us.